Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the JRS Cars YouTube channel. In today's video, we are here at Wraplab Chennai to get the car clean. So here we have the owner's car. As you guys can see, it's a really busy day over here. We have another Laura over there and my car's getting clean. In today's video, we're going to get the car properly cleaned and then we're going to get it polished just to see what magic can these guys do on a 12-year-old car. As you guys know, my car has never been properly detailed, at least ever since I bought it. So in today's video, we're going to really see if a simple detail can bring back the shine on a 12-year-old car. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the car has been pulled inside. The guys have just about to start their work. So let's see what's happened. Wow. After the wash, as you guys can see, the car does look much better. But if you go closer, yeah, you can see all the swirls, scratches, especially under these lights. It's very evident. Wow guys, after just a single pass, look at the shine. Check this out, look at the lights over here and over here. So guys, the car is looking really very nice, as you guys can see, and yes, this is not the final finish. This is like halfway through. That's why you see all these pad marks, like we call it. But don't worry, this will be looking as good as new.
So my whole idea what we've done with the Laura right now is we've done the one-step, in one of the three steps and the first step take correction. So basically the car is fully removed with swirls and cars come back to the original color. There are more work to be done. Car has come, it's full glaze, next work has to come, and we have to make sure the car is shiny as possible. So the whole idea for the car, it's an old car, we want to remove as much scratches and swirls as possible. So there are a lot of damage on the car, car, but as you see after the first compound, the scratches are still hidden. Scratches are still existing, but it's hidden into the color. You cannot see it with the naked eye unless you put it under the light. So the car will be as shiny, as better than new, I would say. So wait for the final finish on this car. You're going to be very, very satisfied actually. When the paint is a bit caked or when the scratch is too deep, paint doesn't exist anymore. So into a paint correction, it cannot be corrected. So I have a paint correction to make sure any surface defects like paint, will start, cement and all that are there on the vehicle. We try to remove it as much as possible. Okay. So there are surface scratches. If you see on the vehicle, there are some scratches that are too deep, but they are been hidden in a paint correction. You cannot see to a naked eye. Whereas certain scratches or paint fade, such as these marking, they cannot be rectified unless it's repainted.
Understood, so got it.
Okay. These are possibilities where it's a 50-50. If the marking is not too deep into the clear coat, it can be removed immediately. So if you look at a basic price for a Laura, you're saying it's about 9,000 rupees. But it seems a little steep. But on a long run, you want the car as new as possible. Tomorrow, if the car had less damage, you wouldn't have realized it's a very old car. Unless you know the model or the car, any layman would not realize it's a good car.
Okay, so this is for a 3-step is around 9,000 approximately.
Yeah, if you do a regular 1-step, you are seeing about 2,500. Where you get the whole interior and the exterior to be done. So we have a lot of packages regarding each vehicle.
Okay.
Each services are given. So unless we inspect the car, we can't judge without telling it.
Understood. So good Sachin, that's a quick overview and a quick wrap of what we do over here. And definitely I link Wraplab, all your Instagram, if you have anything, social network channels, I will link it in the description. So guys, if you want to get your car looking fresh, I think you guys have seen the before, and this is only midway through the process, we are not done yet, and still the car is looking like at least 10 times better than what it was. So if you want to get your car, glossed up, detailed up, you know the place Wraplab, Sachin is the man. So of course, maybe if possible, if you can refer, let's say you come from JRS Cars, maybe he'll give you a little discount as well.
Yeah, definitely. Please come anytime you want, and you can always reach me on my number. I'll share it on the video.
So thanks Sachin, thanks so much, and wish you all the best.
Yeah,
thank you. So guys, the car is looking good. All thanks to Bharat over here. So Bharatna, இந்த வந்து நீங்க டீடைல் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. இந்த வண்டியோட டிஃபெக்ட்ஸ் நீங்க எப்படி கரெக்ட் பண்ணீங்க? உங்க ஒரு டிஃபிகல்ட்டி ஸ்கேல் எப்படி இருந்துச்சுங்க?
நார்மல் டீடைலிங் இது, பேசிக் டீடைலிங். பேசிக் டீடைலிங் இவ்வளவு ட்ரைனிங் இது. இதே நீங்க 3 ஸ்டெப் விட்டீங்கன்னாக்கா ஃபுல் நியூ கார் ஃபினிஷிங் ஆகும்.
ஸோ ரொம்ப நன்றிண்ணா, நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு 2 hours 3 hours நீங்கள் நல்லா ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. வண்டி ஆஸ் ஷோரூம் ஃப்ரெஷ் பண்ண மட்டும் நீங்கள் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. ஸோ பார்த்தா ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க, தேங்க்யூ. That's the level of gloss and detail available on this 12-year-old vehicle. Wow, look at that finish. Mind you guys, this is just a stage 1 polish or step 1 what they call, which is basically the basic polish which is available by the guys at Wraplab over here. And yes, of course, if you have a black car, it does make a world of difference. I mean, look at the wheels. Remember how caked with brake dust they were? Well, looking brand new. Remember the scratches I showed you earlier? Yes, they are still there, but they are available. I mean, they are visible only under these kind of focus detailing lights. And I'm sure once I take the vehicle outside, they'll be hardly visible. So like Sachin said, you can get the car looking really nice and posh, but these stuff over here like paint damage, where the paint has been damaged, these stuff can't be taken out, but they are reduced to a level which doesn't irritate you. You guys remember we had a pretty deep line over here, that is now completely gone. Nice and clear. Yes, overall a really satisfying experience by the guys here. It took a good around 2 hours, but in the 2 hours they really transformed the vehicle and made it look at least half its age. So yeah, that's pretty much mean by experience with the guys at Wraplab. Genuine guys, good customer service at a reasonable price as well. So definitely, if you guys are looking to get your car detailed, do check them out. The links are in the description. I think you've already seen Sachin explain pretty much all the steps involved, what all you can do, what all can't be done. So yeah guys, if you like the video, give the video a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and well, I'll see you next video very soon. Take care, bye bye, drive safe.